Hey guys, here with some quick instructions for your project number 3 on the Declaration of Independence. So for this assignment, you're going to take a look at the document. We're going to do a little primary source document analysis. So there's an introduction here that talks a little bit about the committee that worked to draft the Declaration of Independence. There were 5 men who were on the committee. The committee then chose Thomas Jefferson to write the first draft, and then the committee worked to revise it. And then it went to Congress. There were more changes made to it. And then it was obviously put in its original form after the revisions. There's also a little bit here about where you can go and see it if you're ever in Washington, D.C. in the National Archives, and then some other information about how it was printed. So what you're going to do here is you're going to look at the text, and then you're going to select some phrases from the document that you think are important and evaluate the effectiveness of it. So you will come to this page, and I did edit the original Declaration of Independence. It is a little long, so I took a few parts out of it. But what you'll do is you're going to click here on this link first. This is the audio. And then as the audio is, you'll need to minimize that screen. And then as the audio is being read, you can follow along with this edited version of the document. So you'll listen and read through it. And then you will come down to the second part where you're going to choose the phrases out of the document that you think have the most significance or that are most meaningful. So you're going to use your highlight tool up here, your highlight icon. You're going to choose 5 key phrases, not whole paragraphs. So you'll go through, you'll click on it, and then you'll decide, okay, I think that this is a section you want to use, whatever you pick, okay? And then you'll highlight what you want. And then you'll pick 5 phrases that you think are most important. You'll copy and paste your highlighted phrases in this column. And then in the second column, you're going to write 2-3 sentences in your own words about why you think that phrase is significant to the document, or why you selected it, what's important about it, or why might we see it as an important part of the document today. Then you're going to read this paragraph here that talks a little bit about the paradox of the document. So you'll then answer question 6 about the evaluation of the document and whether we should look at it differently because of its failures in some ways. And then you'll answer question number 7, which is sort of your own perspective on whether or not the document and how it connects to today's society and equality. So when you're finished with the table and then questions 6 and 7, you'll just submit this to Google Classroom, and then you are finished.